Fixing corrupt Steam cache and script execution errors takes less than 1 minute when you know the exact steps. Corrupted temporary download files and locked script permissions block your games from launching properly every single time. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in local folder permissions. Which brings us to method 2. Start by opening your Steam settings panel, navigating to the Downloads tab, and clicking the Clear Cache button to wipe out broken temporary files. This simple action forces Steam to rebuild clean directories and remove bad data packets. Next, go to your game properties, select installed files, and hit the Verify button so Steam automatically replaces any broken script files with healthy ones. If errors persist, completely close Steam from your task manager, navigate to your main installation folder, and delete the cache directories before restarting the app as an administrator. Running the client with elevated privileges unlocks restricted system folders, allowing scripts to execute without interference. Subscribe for more quick tech fixes that save you hours of frustration.